Gigi. Do you want to learn about the galaxy? That's great. I wake up every morning and I have to send it for you. Look, I'm enjoying the galaxy. This is Cygnus 2. It's the smallest galaxy and does not have any moons. This is measure 313.5. Giant and Cygnus 2. Yeah, a bit clever. This is a small meteorite cloud. A small meteorite cloud, it's smaller than the Milky Way galaxy. Triangle galaxy. A triangle galaxy have reaching triangle arms. This is Triangle Galaxy, one of the largest of the galaxies. The Milky Way. The Milky Way is where we live. The galaxy we live is the Milky Way. Inside the Milky Way, there are solar system, sun, planets, dwarf planets, other skies of space debris. Object is one of the dirtiest galaxy in the middle, and on the outside it's much too colder. A giant type of galaxy. You are good of this end. This is a regular It's one of the largest galaxies. One type of the largest galaxy. You are nearly close. Triangle Galaxy. Triangle, a giant type of galaxy. It's one of the giant type of galaxy. It's bigger than the Milky Way. And this galaxy. You are the thinnest of the galaxy, nearly thinnest of the galaxy. It's one of the hugest galaxies in the solar system. Approaching galaxy and is a super huge massive galaxy. A corners and losing scalar rotation. Scalar rotation is the biggest galaxy in the galaxy size comparison. A super galaxy. This might be true if this galaxy is huge. Energy. The biggest galaxy. It had no arms. It's a chain in the dwarf galaxy. Not spinning on its side. Core 42 is 7B and a giant elliptical galaxy. Is the biggest more galaxies. A supergiant, humongous, spinny, huge, massive hydrogen galaxy. This is the hugest in the galaxies living things. An Exynos. An Exynos is a Proxima Campani is a dwarf galaxy. It's a supergiant galaxy. A huge type of galaxy. It was covered in for 2 cloud anchor. It's so big on the sun. This is a supermassive, huge hydrogen helium potassium galaxy. I will visit you later, but don't come here already. I will tell more about stars on chapter 2. Bye. See you tomorrow. Subscribe under your channel. You'll see it tomorrow on chapter 2, reading about stars with a fun stop. You are good. Bye.